Sasabay daw tayo sa kanila. Sabay daw po tayo sa kanila. Masarap ba?
Hindi magiging
Dito.
Produced by Vision Films, directed by Chito S. Ronyo, from the screenplay of Mia Concho. The film turns 34 old this year. And now, it is my great honor to introduce a key figure behind this remarkable initiative. She has been instrumental in bringing this vision to life and ensuring that Ayala Mall Cinemas continues to provide exceptional experiences for all our patrons. Please join me in welcoming Ayala Mall's Head of Ancillary Business, Miss Yvette Roldan.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Ayala Mall Cinemas, the 30th. Films are not just entertainment. They are cultural treasures that reflect and shape our society. Preservation is crucial because without the proper care, these films become lost forever. Hence, we wholeheartedly commend ABS-CBN's Sagip Pelikula under the timeless efforts and leadership of Mr. Leo Katigbak, Sir Leo. Sagip Pelikula is giving different generations of Filipinos the chance to experience the Philippine cinema's finest masterpieces, even if these were shown decades ago. However, the efforts to restore classic films are just the first steps. Ayala Mall Cinemas aims to be the avenue for film enthusiasts and moviegoers alike to enjoy these classic Filipino films in their full glory. Through A Rewind, we are offering a unique cinematic experience that celebrates Filipino heritage, allowing us to reconnect with our roots, cherish the unique stories and artistry of our heritage, and bridge the gap between generations. Now, the new audience will experience these amazing films in their full glory. Ayala Mall's Marquee in Angeles, Pampanga, Ayala Mall's Legazpi in the province of Albay, and of course, Ayala Mall's the 30th, where we are in now tonight. As your committed partner in this endeavor, our cinemas proudly dedicate these sites as venues where these incredible masterpieces can be showcased every month, starting this April, where these films are meant to be seen in the big screen. To make these film classics accessible to a wider audience, we have reasonably priced our admission tickets at 180 pesos and a special price of 160 pesos for students. The excitement kicks off with the inaugural screening of A Rewind this April 9, featuring Mr. Chito Ronyo's Kailan Ka Magiging Akin and Mario O'Hara's Tatlong Ina, Isang Anak. Future A Rewind screenings.
Ako akong veteran. But first of all, I'd really like to thank everybody for making time for this special screening this evening. I know the traffic has been horrendous outside, so thank you so much. I know it's not easy given all of the chaos outside, but this is a very, very special event for us. Before the pandemic, we used to have a lot of partnerships with Ayala and some other establishments where we would show restored classics. But I'm particularly excited with this one because now we're only featuring 2 movies but in 5 malls. So there's really an opportunity para mapanood ulit yung Kailan Ka Magiging Akin at saka Tatlong Ina, Isang Anak. Now, for Kailan Ka Magiging Akin, this is a 1991 film, as they mentioned, written by Mia Concho, directed by Chito Ronyo. And this, I'm proud to say that given our limited resources, what you're going to see tonight is something that was done in-house in ABS-CBN Film Archives. The scanning was done by Marco Gatpandan, who is somewhere there, and the restoration was done by Nick Pestaño, who actually worked on the very first film that we showed, Himala, 13 years ago. So nakakatuwa na kasama pa rin namin sa team yung mga nag-umpisa ng Sagip Pelikula. Now, I won't belabor the point, but before I acknowledge certain people, I'd like to thank our friends like sina Raquel Villavicencio, sina Ruby Ruiz, sina Rock, sina Malaya. We have a lot of friends who are actually not part of the movie, but they always make it a point to go to our screenings to support it.
Thank you, everyone. Please enjoy the movie at patuloy tayong maki Sagip Pelikula.
Kami pala natin exist together. Kasi ang bata natin.
Grabe. Payat mo.
Nakatakin.
Oo, grabe.
Grabe ang gwapo ni Kuya Gabi. Ang gwapo. Diyos Kuya Julio, gwapo.
Oo, diba?
Fresh.
At nakasisod ka.
At green.
Green. Walang dimple tape pa nun. I know.
Ang galing po. Congratulations.
Pero pala yung mga pelikula dati, haba.
Kaya pala nagtataka ko, sabi ko, bakit parang ang tagal na hindi pa nagiging si Lady Lee?
Kanina ko namin sinasabi, kasama si Lady Lee dito. Kailan pa siya lalaki?
Lady Lee.
Lady Lee.
Sa group photo ka.
Yung
baby.
baby.
Ako po yung baby. Di ba pinost ko siya sa
Oo.
TikTok? Sabi niya ako po yung baby.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
I know. Super
Also you there? Oh yeah. At that age, parang ano ka pa,
ito, yeah, high school. High school, third year high school.
yung mga rumalik sa
Oh, yes. Yes, please. Can we have our picture, please? At ayan. Now, I remember.
Oh, now you remember.
1, 2, 3.
So, di ba tama? Mabait ka, maldita ka nung una, pero bumait ka.
Nang dahil kay Ate Janice nga, dahil na ano kami, nag-isip
Diba
kami.
ampon ka rin? At saka ang bilis ng pacing.
Oo.
Nakita mo si
Ang
Cassie?
haba lang talaga.
Nakita mo si Cassie?
Pero ang...
Si Cassie?
And but you have to remember, it's so clear.
Yes.
Diba? So you have all of those other plot
Kaya
points.
ano ba, yung talagang invested.
I've met you.
Belen Salcedo, he's grandson of Leopoldo Salcedo.
Oh,
And,
oh, hello.
and he's also an influencer and an actress.
Really?
Yeah.
How? What
Kyla, I knew her since OB.
Okay.
Sinimula ko sa anong mundo. And for Yuan, I hung out with him a
Nakita
lot.
ko na yung may pa-fountain, di ba?
Ang galing ng crowd control nila.
Piniled ka ba?
Opo.
Kaya pala. Oo, okay.
Sabi ko nga,
Okay. You're so tall.
yeah.
May anak ko babae.
So let's start first after seeing the what was your reaction to the film?
Ang bata ko. Ang bata ko. Tapos, I was just amazed. I mean, I'm just thankful na naging part ako dito sa movie na to. Yung parang, like I said, I was only 15. So ilang decades na yun, how many decades ago. But still, after watching it, parang it felt so good. Yung parang ang ganda ng story. I'm thankful I was able to, work with Direk Chico. Tapos yung story, musical story. It's just amazing.
Was it your first time seeing the film?
Oh yeah, it's my first time. So actually, I'm glad that I attended this event dahil ano siya kasi yun ang unawa na ganito pala kagaling yung mga gumagawa ng pelikula ng araw. And this is how original or back then. Kasi ngayon parang lagi na lang tayo okay ng mga Korean, story ng Koreano, whatever. But yung mga panahon nito, we were number one in Asia. But in terms of acting, in terms of filmmaking, in terms of everything, tayo yung tinitingala ng mga. And ngayon ko na uunawaan kung bakit ganun ang ating sa dipinit. Because mararamdaman mo yung essence ng pelikula talaga and yung pagmamahal ng mga veteran actors, mararamdaman mo sa kanilang mga
What was it?
Okay, now I can answer. Yung umaakit ako ng hagdan, nagabuhat-buhat namin si Ma'am Charo, nalasing siya, na marami akong angst sa world, tapos bila akong sinampal ni Miss Vivian. So yung parang, pati ako nagulat, parang, oh my gosh, nangyari pa pala yun. So, yun. Para sa akin yun yung isa sa mga unforgettable scenes.
wala ako marami. Lalo na in terms of yung staging nito. And you also have to realize na walang internet noon and yung film is not digital. So, puro take 1, take 2, take 3 dahil pag na-take 3 ka na, sisigawan ka na talaga ng director. So, it only means na pumapasok yung artista doon sa staging area na fully ready, fully equipped.